Hi, Jenny here. Today I'm going to make an orange almond butter cake. I saw this recipe online and it looked really delicious. It was from Immaculate Bites. They made it as a bundt cake and as a regular cake. So let's try it out. Let's get started. For this recipe we are going to start off with 10 ounces of butter, which is 1 1/4 cups. So 2 sticks and then a half a stick. And then 1 1/2 cups of sugar that we're going to blend well together. That's mixed, you want to scrape down the sides. When we add our next ingredients, it'll also be well mixed together. Okay, next we're going to add 5 eggs. So we'll add 1 at a time and mix it well. Okay, now we're going to mix together 2 cups of cake flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And we'll mix that all well together and then we'll add that to our mixture. Okay, now we're going to add 1/4 cup of orange juice, 2 tablespoons of orange zest, 1 teaspoon of almond flavoring, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I need a 10-inch pan and we're going to spray that with some cooking oil. I have my own mister here that I have olive oil in. You can use any type of cooking oil. And then we're going to pour our batter in. It says to pound the pan on the counter to get any air bubbles out. And now we will cook it at 325 degrees for 50 minutes. Alright, it's been 50 minutes, so now we're going to check our cake by putting a toothpick in the center and seeing if it's done or not. Nope, still moist. So we're going to cook it for another 5 minutes. Alright, we'll try this one more time. Oh yeah, it's nice and stiff. And that's done. Okay, once the cake is cool, we are just going to put a little powdered sugar on top. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave the recipe down in the description below. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite summer type of cake is. Right now, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. I'm going to try my cake and see what I think. Delicious. That recipe's a keeper.